Laylatul Qadr, as we mentioned before, mutanaqqila. The Laylatul Qadr, within those 10 nights, it moves around. It's not specific on any particular night, it moves around. It can sometimes be the 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and if that month has it moves from those 10 nights. So last year it could have been the 27th, that doesn't necessarily mean that this year it's going to be the 27th. It moves. And this is the qawl that Imam 𝗏 mentions. He says, وأجمع من يعتد به على وجودها ودوامها إلى آخر دهل الأحاديث الصحيحة المشهورة قال القاضي واختلفوا في ليلة أخرى وهكذا وبهذا يجمع بين الأحاديث ويقال كل حديث جاء بأحد أوقاتها ولا تعارض فيها قال ونحو هذا قول مالك والثوري وأحمد وإسحاق وأبو ثور وغيرهم قالوا إنما تنقل في العشر الأواخر من رمضان. This qawl, he attributed it to who? Imam 𝗏 rahimahullah. He said this is the view of Malik and Thawri and Ahmad and Ishaq and Abu Thawr and other than them. They all believed that it moves within those last 10 nights. And that's the strongest and the most accurate view. The reason is because there are many ahadiths that have come, each and every one of them specifying a night in the last 10 nights. Some narrations said the 21st, some said 24, some said 27th, some said 29th. There's 40 views in this issue. 40 qawl Ibn Hajar brings in 𝗏 الْبَارِ. The only way that you can bring all of those views together and all of the ahadith together and bring them together is to say that it's in Ramadan, the last 10 days of Ramadan, and it moves. It's not at a specific night, that it moves.